Víctor y la guitarra mágica.
Victor and the Magic Guitar. Don't forget to subscribe to enhance your Spanish language skills.
Víctor vive en una familia de músicos. Su padre toca el piano. Su madre canta. Su hermana toca el violín. Cada tarde, Víctor escucha música en su casa. Pero Víctor no toca un instrumento. Él quiere tocar música pero no sabe qué instrumento quiere tocar. Un día, Víctor encuentra una caja en el ático. Dentro de la caja, hay una guitarra blanca. La guitarra es bonita. Tiene muchas decoraciones. Víctor toca la guitarra. Le gusta mucho. Además, Víctor encuentra una foto en la caja. Un hombre joven en la foto toca la guitarra. Víctor está emocionado. Lleva la foto y la guitarra a su madre. Su madre mira la foto y dice, el hombre es tu bisabuelo. Él tocaba muy bien la guitarra. Víctor está muy feliz. Él quiere aprender a tocar la guitarra. Todos los días, practica la guitarra. Pronto, Víctor toma lecciones de guitarra. Él aprende rápidamente. Víctor tiene talento para la música. Ahora, en las tardes, la familia de Víctor toca música juntos. Víctor toca la guitarra. Y a todos les encanta. Víctor finalmente encuentra su lugar en su familia de músicos. ¿Tocas algún instrumento musical? Si es así, ¿cuál? Déjalo saber en los comentarios.
Do you play any musical instrument? If so, which one? Let us know in the comments.
Bien hecho.
Now, some important words.
Familia.
Family.
Músicos.
Musicians.
Piano.
Piano.
Canta.
Sings.
Violín.
Violin.
Música.
Music.
Instrumento.
Instrument.
Guitarra.
Guitar.
Foto.
Photo.
Emocionado.
Excited.
Madre.
Mother.
Bisabuelo.
Great-grandfather.
Aprender.
Learn.
Lecciones.
Lessons.
Talento.
Talent.
Bien hecho.
Now the story in English. Victor lives in a family of musicians. His father plays the piano. His mother sings. His sister plays the violin. Every afternoon, Victor listens to music in his house. But Victor doesn't play an instrument. He wants to play music but doesn't know which instrument he wants to play. One day, Victor finds a box in the attic. Inside the box, there is a white guitar. The guitar is beautiful. It has many decorations. Victor plays the guitar. He likes it a lot. Besides, Victor finds a photo in the box. A young man in the photo is playing the guitar. Victor is excited. He takes the photo and the guitar to his mother. His mother looks at the photo and says, "The man is your great-grandfather. He played the guitar very well." Victor is very happy. He wants to learn to play the guitar. Every day, he practices the guitar. Soon, Victor takes guitar lessons. He learns quickly. Victor has a talent for music. Now, in the afternoons, Victor's family plays music together. Victor plays the guitar. And everyone loves it. Victor finally finds his place in his family of musicians.
As we wrap up this exciting learning session, a big thank you for joining us at Lingua Stories. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn Spanish, feel free to subscribe and turn on the notifications to stay tuned for all our fascinating language adventures. Until the next lesson.
Gracias y hasta la próxima vez.